Hey guys, happy Tuesday, March 24th. And let's talk about what's going on in the world today. So, in world news, the World Health Organization director warns virus spread accelerating. The head of the World Health Organization says the coronavirus outbreak is accelerating but insists we can change the trajectory of this pandemic. WHO Director General Tedros, I'm totally going to jack up his name, so I'm going to skip that, noted that COVID-19 has now been reported in nearly every country in the world. He said it's 67 days from the first reported case to reach the first 100,000 cases, 11 days to reach the second 100,000 cases, and just 4 days to reach the third 100,000 cases. Tedros said he would speak with the heads of the state and government from the G20 countries, saying that he would ask them to help increase production, avoid export bans, and ensure fair distribution of life-saving tools that are facing a growing shortage. He noted measures put in place to slow the spread of the virus may be exacerbating shortages of essential protective gear and the materials. So, what does that mean for us? Stay home, wash your hands, don't touch your face. Obviously, this is spreading and it's spreading really quickly. So, and we're testing a lot more than we were. So, in national news, coronavirus cases add up. California frantically count tests, beds, and masks. In San Francisco, wildfires, earthquakes, mudslides, California knows disaster. Yet, if dire predictions hold, the state's experience and vast resources did not seem adequate to hold back the tsunami of coronavirus cases that experts fear are on the way. Governor Gavin Newsom on Monday said that California would be short about 17,000 hospital beds, raising his previous estimate of a 10,000 bed shortfall. The state was also short 1 billion protective gloves and hundreds of millions of masks, he said. At the pace of testing remains stubbornly slow in California, New York State, with half of the population, has conducted twice as many tests for the virus as the Golden State. So the numbers that we have are just the numbers that are testing positive of the people that we've actually tested. We're not testing everybody, guys. And in local news, health officials say that 6 deaths, 442 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Ohio. The state's stay-at-home order takes effect at midnight last night. Cases top 440 and lawmakers prepare for a midweek session to address everything from school testing to elections. So a decision will be made on that. So we'll stay tuned. I'll keep you updated what's going on there. Ohio has more than 440 cases and 6 deaths across 46 counties. The total cases involve a wide age range from younger than 1 year old to 93. One of the 3 people who died at a nursing home in Troy had the coronavirus, while test results are pending for the other 2. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Dayton confirmed its first case over the weekend. The state is limiting testing to those who are hospitalized and to healthcare workers. The Ohio Department of Health said people with suspected symptoms should call a medical provider first, but seek immediate help if symptoms are serious, such as difficulty breathing or shortness of breath. So let's just take a look at the numbers that we know for Ohio. So in Saturday, we had 169 confirmed cases. On Sunday, that number went up to 247 confirmed cases. And on Monday, 442 confirmed cases. So that is our world, national, and local news for the day, and I hope you guys are doing well. If you need anything, please reach out to me. I set up a Remind for every single class, so log into your Google Classroom, download the Remind app on your phone. You can text me that way. You can send me an instant message on Google Hangouts. You can email me, but I'm not going to lie, I get a lot of emails, so that's not the quickest way to get a response from me. You'll get one, but it'll be the slowest. You can text me at any time. I'm up early. I stay up late. If I'm not awake and you text me really late, I'll get back to you the next morning when I wake up. So that is all. I hope you're well. I miss all of you. Cannot wait to see you again. Take care.